So, you're trying to save space on your phone and your network is doing you hide and seek. Don't worry. Come, let me show you how to upload your files to Google Drive, even with a stubborn network. To download Google Drive, go to Play Store or Apple Store, search Google Drive and download it. It's a free app that you can download. If you already have it on your phone, just search for Google Drive, tap on the plus sign, then click Upload. You can select the file that you want to upload. It can be a picture, a video, or a document. You may wish to rename your document. If your network is low, you can wait a little. You can consider uploading maybe in the mornings or in the evenings when the network is better. You may choose to organize your documents in folders. That's it. You've uploaded your files just like a pro. The advantage here is even if your network should go off and you can continue your upload when your network comes back. You would also be able to access your documents without network as long as you have the application on your phone. No stress, just tech with Malamer Tech. Thank you.